it is a great honor for us to receive a welcome address by Cécile Dubarry. Madame Dubarry is Director of the Service for Communication and Information Technologies at the General Directorate for Competitiveness, Industry and Services in the Ministry of Economy, Industry and Employment. Chair, Madame Dubarry, dear Cécile, please give us your opening address.
Dear Chairman of ITR2 board, dear Rodolphe, dear President of Artemis Industry Association, dear Klaus, and dear participants of the COSUmmit, I'm very glad to be here to welcome you for these 6th editions of the COSUmmit, and I'd like to thank you, both of you, for giving me this opportunity to give a few words at the opening sessions. The COSUmmit represents a unique event in Europe. You said it. It is the opportunity to gather the software R&D communities playing a key role in the strengthening of Europe's competitiveness. This year's theme, sharing a vision for ICT innovations, appears particularly relevant. There is indeed a consensus on the importance of ICT innovations in the competitiveness of the economy. Considering the present challenges faced by industry, it is more than ever crucial that a shared vision of ICT innovation can be developed between the European players. The instruments such as ITEA and Artemis are dedicated to support R&D projects in this domain and should be in position to contribute to the achievement of this vision. From this perspective, I would like to recall the involvement of France in the support of ITEA and Artemis from the beginning. Both programs share the ambition to strengthen industry and to address social challenges. The Eureka clusters represent an efficient tool to support projects focused on strategic technological breakthroughs for which a critical mass can only be reached at European level. In the field of software-intensive system, ITEA2 and ITEA3 represent a key instrument for establishing and implementing an industrial policy in interaction with other European public authorities. The Artemis Joint Technology Initiative represents a complementary instrument to support industry-driven innovation based on ICT. In particular, Artemis is best suited for the implementation of strategic research agenda at European level. France supports the cooperation initiative between the two instruments. Each year, the COSUmmit offers concrete examples of these shared ambitions, and we'd like to thank you for this cooperation. We think it's very, very, very important that the two instruments can work together, close together. I am confident that ITEA and Artemis communities will once again demonstrate new achievements of these cooperations. As you know, a new generation of instruments to support ICT innovation is being prepared. Following the support from the public authorities, the Eureka High-Level Group granted the Eureka label to ITEA3 in June. I'd like to congratulate you for all the work and of the team and all the industry that enabled to make this key decision for the software industry. In parallel, the Commissions launched a public consultations on the Futures Initiative in Electronic Components and Embedded Systems. You mentioned it. France is strongly implicated in these discussions, as well in the preparation of Horizon 2020. I wish that this COSUmmit will be fruitful for all participants and that we will enjoy your stay in Paris and that you have happiness in Paris. Thank you for your attention.